back to my first vlog. You're probably like wondering, hello Elliot, why aren't you showing your face? I don't feel like it today, okay? But yeah, so you guys know how I make too many game videos. Well, I finally get to be back in real life with videos, but before I start this, like and subscribe. So that is a fire. Wait, let's go to it. So yeah, that is a big fire. My parents are basically starting this vlog. Yeah, so also this is not my place, it's a different place. Well, it actually burnt up a lot. No, it actually burnt up a lot. It used to be like so much wood. No, it burnt up a lot. But yeah, so that is one thing that is out in this place right now. But yeah, so we got a swing. Trees. Lake over there. See this water? Let me show you. Yep, a lake. But yeah, so I just wanted to get back to making videos. I know I posted a video today, but I just wanted to post some real life videos, you know, like I just felt like it. But my brother might join this vlog, so yeah. Because he might come to this vlog, but yeah. So like this is like a vlog. Yeah, it's my first vlog. Okay, it's my first vlog. Just don't make fun of me if I do something silly. Anyways, so like yeah, so this is the basically area. But yeah, so like this is actually, wait. Yeah, this is a better view of the lake. If you guys can see it, come down below because it's like, okay, can you guys see it now? Oh, yep, can you guys see it now? It's right there. It's right there. See that lake? Yeah, that's the lake. But, so, yeah. This is the area. This is not my place. If I already said that, comment down below. But, yeah, so this video is actually a vlog. I know, like, I don't really know how to make a vlog, so I just feel like doing this, okay? And tell me down below in the comments if this is a vlog, because I want to know if this is, but still, that fire got like burnt up a lot. Oh, there's wood. There's wood. Okay. That is actually wood. There's wood. See? But a lot of it has burned up. Like, a lot of it. Like, that, bro, this pot, it was such a big pile. I do not know what happened to it. Not at all. But, yeah, so comment down below if you want another vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.